Okay, so before we can start working with the ETC EOS software, we of course need to download the application, obviously. This can be done by visiting the ETC Connect website. When you visit the website, you're going to want to go up to products, and this is what we would call entertainment controls. ETC does a lot of different things. Entertainment controls means the actual control of lights. Under there, you can see the different options that they have. EOS, or sometimes referred to as Nomad, is the first option. Hog is more their live busking model, and color sources are small venue type of model. We're going to go to Explore EOS, and you can click on software. And of course, there's a link here. On this page, we can go to download EOS version 3.3, or you could go backwards if you have older versions. And then you can choose the one that you need, either the Mac software for Macs, obviously, and the console software for PCs or Windows. At the time that I'm writing this, we are currently in version 3.3, but they're mostly the same. So if you're on an older version, that's just fine. Once you're downloaded, go ahead and open the file and install the software like you would on any other application. And once you're finished, you should open the ETC EOS app. The first time that you open the app, you'll probably find some window that looks like this, and you can always go back to it by hitting this change console mode. What this means is that you can either choose the larger EOS version of the software or the smaller Element option for your board. So a lot of high schools might have an Element board, maybe larger theaters have the EOS board. For the purposes of this tutorial and these lessons, we're going to use the larger EOS version. So you can click that. If you click the wrong one, again, just hit change console mode and we can get to EOS. Once you see this, you're going to see the ETC Nomad shell, or what we might call the welcome screen. Here you can do a lot of the kind of core functions of EOS. You can change some settings. You can use a visualizer with a larger board. You can mirror another board, so this is great if you're doing tech rehearsals, so you can see what's going on from a different computer other than your actual light board. But what we want to use is the offline with Viz option. So Viz meaning visualizer. If you have a full-fledged board or if you have a Nomad dongle, you'll see primary here, and that's going to be the exact same thing. But this allows you to mess around with the EOS board for free, which is kind of stinking awesome. Or what I like to do is program the light board in the morning over coffee and then bring my work to the theater. Click that, and we're off to the races. I'll see you in the next lesson.